Hello everybody, today we are going to see the unboxing of Cepheid GeneXpert BCR-ABL Ultra kit. So as you can see, this is the top view and this is the front view of the kit. So as you can see, this is from the Cepheid brand, and you can see this is the GeneXpert BCR-ABL Ultra kit. You can see the reference number here, BCRABL10. You can see the lot number, it is a 10 test lot number. You can see this is a C certified IVD product. The temperature control is between 2 to 8 degrees Celsius, and that is the reason why it is placed on a cooling gel pack. So, and also you can see the manufacturing address. You can see this is manufactured in Cepheid, California, USA, and also you can see the lot number, the expiry date over here. So all the other details now are present over here. So then we have the Cepheid kit. So let me show you the sides. You can see this is the Cepheid Xpert BCR-ABL Ultra kit. You can see the lot number and the expiry. You can see this is from Cepheid. So this is the other side of it. This is the registration holding address. So guys, as you can see, this is the Cepheid kit. Let me open this box for you. So as you can see, let me open this box for you. So as you can see, this is the Cepheid kit. So let me take each of these reagents one by one. So on the first, you can see this is the first thing which comes with the kit. So you can see this is the Xpert BCR Ultra wash reagent. You can see the wash reagent present in the kit. So this is the wash reagent. So let me keep this here. Then there is another liquid present. So let me take this out. As you can see, this is the, so let me take this out and show you. Yeah, so this is the Xpert BCR-ABL Ultra kit. You can see this is the proteinase K reagent. You can see the expiry date and the manufacturing date. This is the proteinase K reagent. So let me keep this aside. So let me keep this here for you. And then I think we have a box inside. Let me take this out. So this is the Xpert BCR albumin reagent. You can see this is the lysis reagent. So let me open this for you. As you can see, this is the Xpert BCR-ABL Ultra, the lysine reagent. This is a 5.3 ml container. You can see it here, LY lysine reagent. So let me keep this over here. Now we have the reagents. With the help of my team, I am opening this. Yeah. Before that, I think we will see the brochures. No, you can see there is this GeneXpert BCR Albumin Ultra. This is for the GeneXpert system with software version 5.1 and higher. You can see this is for the assay definition file, the import instructions and the instructions for use. You can also see this is like the version 1.1 with the reference code and all. For this is the Cepheid. You can see this is the C certificated IVD product. So let me keep this here. Okay. Then we have the certification of analysis for the Xpert BCR-ABL Ultra kit. You can see this is the certification of analysis. So I also keep this aside. Let me keep this aside for you. So let's open this reagent. Okay. So as you can see, this is the GeneXpert BCR ABL Ultra kit. You can see this is like 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So 10 cartridges are present in this kit. You can see this is the, you can find the lot number, the expiry date. You can see this is the GeneXpert Xpert BCR Ultra kit. You can see the catalog number and the lot number for the series. So guys, this is the entire unboxing of the GeneXpert BCR-ABL Ultra kit. So let me like show you the entire content of it. So as you can see, the entire unboxing of the BCR-ABL Ultra kit. So as you see, this is the kit which the cartridges are present. Then we have all the 10 cartridges, the GeneXpert BCR Ultra kit. Then we have the wash buffer for the reagent. Then we have the protease K. Then we have the lysis buffer. Then we have the system software update and the instructions for use. We have the certification of analysis. So guys, this is the entire unboxing of Cepheid GeneXpert BCR-ABL Ultra kit. Thank you.